Example 7 given, in what ratio does the point minus 4, 6 divide the line segment joining the points A minus 6, 10 and B 3, 8. Okay, what the question given? In what ratio? You have to find the ratio, means M1 is to M2 how much? M1 is to M2 how much? Where the point A given minus 6, 10, B given 3, minus 8, and the point P which divide AB. The coordinate of the point P also given minus 4, 6. So, example 6, what we have done? A coordinate given, A coordinate is given, B coordinate was given, and M1 is to M2. Here also, this M1 is to ratio also given. So we have calculated x, y, but here xy given, x1y given, x2y2 given. We have to find M1 is to M2 how much? In what ratio we have to find? Okay. So see the figure. A I have written minus 6, 10, P minus 4, 6, B 3, minus 8. All are given. In what ratio? Let the ratio be M1 is to M2. Let the ratio be M1 is to M2. So now just you see, in place of minus 6, 10, and just below I have written x1, y1. P minus 4, 6, just below I have written x, y. And here 3, minus 8, just below I have written x2, y2. That means x1 minus 6, y1 10, x minus 4, y6, x2 3, y2 minus 8. All are given. But m1, x2 we have to find. So now use the section formula. The formula is x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now to put the value, all the value put x minus 4 is equal to m1 into x2, m1 not given, we have to find ratio m1 into x2 is equal to 3, I have written 3, plus m2 also not given, m2 x1 is minus 6 divided by m1 plus m2. So that implies minus 4 is equal to m1 into 3 means 3m1 plus m2 minus 6 is minus 6m2. Now multiply minus 4m1 minus 4m2 is equal to 3m1 minus 6m2. Now minus 4m1 plus 3m1, it will come to left hand side, minus 3m1 is equal to minus 6m2 is already there, minus 4m2, it will go to that side, plus 4m2. Now minus 4m1 minus 3m1 minus 7m1 is equal to minus 6m2 plus 4m2 is equal to minus 2m2. So minus 1 is cancel. So 7m1 is equal to 2m2. So m1 is to m2 is equal to 2 by 7 or 2 is to 7. Now we have to find the coordinate of y. Now y formula m1 y2 plus m1 by m1 plus m2. Now put the value m1 is to m2, 2 is to 7. Suppose we have to put 2 is to 7. So m2 7. So 2 into y2 minus 8 plus m2 7 into y1 10 by m1 plus m2 means 2 is to 7, because we have calculated 2 is to 7 is equal to 2 into minus 8 plus 7 into 10 by 2 plus 7 is equal to 2 into minus 7 minus 16 plus 70 by 9 is equal to 54 by 9 plus 6. So you see already y is equal to 6 given. So when we put the value, put the ratio 2 is to 7, also we got y6. That means our ratio m1 is to 2 is to 7 is correct. Understood? Okay.